Hello, my dear YouTube viewers. Today we will continue the same theory building phenomenon. Yesterday we touched the Simmel's ideology. Again we will take some more points from his thoughts. The Simmel discovered some amount of or some few number of propositions which is very much useful to verify the new context or new situations. The sociological theorist wants to discover general propositions. After generating the propositions, then it is easy to test the theories. According to Leslie White, with the help of empirical method, we can draw the facts or collect the facts very cumulatively, and later with the help of scholars or the scientists, we can form some sense based on the available theories. And then if the theory is refuted, that is may be right or may be wrong, then there will be a chance to form the two types of evolutionary process or two types of theories. One is reformative theory, second one is new theory. Example, neo-evolutionary theory. In this first one, the reformative evolutionary theory is formed out of modification only, whereas the new theory is simply replacement. Earlier form will be replaced by the functional theory. And then the theories are always abstract propositions, so that it is not easy to test anything. Though the theory is based on inductive empirical data, but the process by the deductive, which has the capacity to construct the theory. This theory is more helpful to generate the hypothesis. If there is a reliability in propositions or theory, then it is easy to test the hypothesis. First level is proposition, second level is theory. Then these two are useful to test the hypothesis. Then skepticism, that is nothing but the doubt. Skepticism about the theories, that is evolutionary theories. There is no empirical evidence. Example, patriarchal society moved into matriarchal society. Second one, urbanization versus joint family. Now in the society, more number of nuclear family. This is because of urbanization influence is more and more. As a result, nuclear families are forming. In another way, more individualism, unable to raise at the city level, so that they moved small norm family from village to the city. So whatever it may be, the giant family is breaking into small pieces called as the nuclear families. Some we will review. The Simmel discovered few number of propositions which are very much useful to verify the new context or new situations. The sociology authors are particularly theorists. Main aim is to discover the broader or general propositions. When the propositions were generated, then it is easy to test the theories. Why? Because proposition is the first level, second level is theory. So these propositions are more useful to understand the theory, to test the theory. According to Leslie White, he said, with the help of empirical method, we can collect the data very cumulatively, and then with the help of scholars we can prepare the theories with sense, along with taking the some available earlier theories information. And then these theories are always abstract propositions, so that it is not at all useful to test it. Abstract means which we cannot see. So that though the theory is based on inductive empirical data, but the process is deductive, which has the capacity to construct the theory. So this theory is always helpful to generate the hypothesis. What we found finally? Propositions, theories, and the hypothesis. These are the descending order. First order is proposition, second order is theory, third one is useful for to test the hypothesis. If there is a reliability in theory, then it is easy to test the hypothesis. If it is vague, we cannot test them. And then skepticism, that means doubt. Skepticism about the theories. There is no empirical evidence in the society. Example, the patriarchal society proceeds to the matriarchal society, that is male dominated society to female dominated society. And then another example is urbanization versus joint family. Earlier, almost all families are joint families. When the urbanic influence is more and more, where there is more opportunity to generate the income compared with their native places, automatically the people used to move from their native place to the city or urban area, suburban area. As a result, the joint family turned into nuclear family. This is the gist of the today's lecture. Please kindly go through the answer. Do subscribe. This is Bindu taking leave from the YouTube platform. Good night.